We're visiting the Glenwood Electric Railway Museum in Glenwood, Oregon in July 1994. And this is where BC Electric 1304 is located, in the car barn in the distance. And we'll go down and have a look at it along with some other cars, including an English double-deck tram. The 1304 was built by BC Electric in New Westminster shops and was the only interurban car to be completely rebuilt following a fire. Hence its style was changed to an arch roof and leather seats installed, it being the only interurban car to have such. All the rest were rattan or wooden seats. This car is in remarkably good condition and is in operating condition as well. An interior view showing the high back leather seats. The car has beautiful oak woodwork, which was put in new after the fire rebuilding, and the body is in very sound shape. Westinghouse HLF control. Motorman's communication whistle. Portland Bill Master Unit streetcar in the process of rebuilding. A Tacoma four-wheel Bernie car, which has a long way to go. And the Portland streetcar in the background, a wooden car. The Los Angeles narrow gauge streetcar. And the San Francisco Municipal Railway PCC car. Another Portland